got this super sick car, and I understand the car is not the award winner, but the person behind the car is a trendsetter. So is that you?
Yep.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's very cool, man. So what makes a trendsetter award happen?
So, well, not only this the combination, we built the Grand National. We brought this car out this year. We brought a 34 Ford out this year. 67 Camaro. We debuted a lot of high-end cars this year, and it's basically kind of recognizing somebody that's, you know, doing the thing.
That's cool, man.
How
long have you been doing the thing?
2010, so we're
no kidding.
15 years.
That's very, very cool, man.
And this car represents what we kind of specialize in. Our brand is Pro Touring Cars, Camaros, big horsepower, make them run and drive,
Okay.
and work well. So I brought this car out to kind of showcase, you know, our brand.
That's really cool. Now, what year is this car?
69.
Is this all been, I mean,
Yeah,
I'm sure every body panel's been massaged in some form, fashion, or another.
Yeah, so we really pride ourselves on paint and body and fit and finish. things
Okay.
like that. So we're finding a lot of the stuff here in the front end. The front bumper, valance, and extensions are all one piece now.
Right here?
Yep. And then the lower carbon fiber splitter and spoiler. The spoiler is handmade up.
How did you make this all? I mean, even that down there is one piece. Or is that an insert?
That's an insert there.
Okay.
There would normally be a bumper, a valance, and 2 extensions. And now
Okay.
the whole unit is one piece. Yep.
So what are the headlamps?
Those are from, I think, Anvil Auto.
Okay. And you said the integrated turn signal in the headlamp?
Yep.
That's pretty slick. The grill custom made, or is it standard?
That's a standard Camaro grill.
Okay. That's cool. So Vengeance, is that the name of the car?
Yep.
I understand one of your company's trademarks is super clean engine bay.
Yep. Yep.
And this is definitely super clean. What kind of finish is this?
It's just a satin clear coat. On
Okay.
the black. So black, how you would spray normal paint, and then it has a flat clear over top of it.
That's cool. Look at this. Is all this stuff like custom made by you guys?
Yeah, this is all handmade up. You know.
No kidding. Oh
Yep.
my word.
Trying to get out of your way. I hit the wrong.
Talk to me about this engine, Vengeance LT5. What's going on with it? How much horsepower is in this?
So this is a LT5 base motor. We removed the LT5 supercharger and went with a bigger Magnuson supercharger.
Okay.
And this car makes around 800 horsepower.
No kidding. Golly, this is so well done too. All custom exhaust, or is exhaust from somebody else?
Nope, we can't fabricate all of our exhaust.
No kidding. Oh my word.
A 3-inch stainless exhaust on hand.
3-inch stainless.
Yep.
What's up with the Havoc? Is this for this?
Yeah, Ring Builders makes billet hinges for a lot of these cars.
Okay.
So that's an off-the-shelf billet hood hinge that you can buy for about
Okay.
any model car.
That's cool.
Business piece.
Now, is this all carbon? This is a hood carbon
Yep,
fiber?
this is a one-off carbon fiber hood.
So you guys made that in house?
Nope. Well, we
Okay.
outsourced that.
And these are active vents?
Yep. Heat extractors.
Yep. Okay, cool. Look at this. Even the inner fender wells are carbon fiber.
Yep.
Is this car really well balanced front to rear?
Yeah.
Imagine it is.
Yeah. Performs really well.
What's up with the suspension?
This is a Detroit Speed front rear suspension. Great setup. Pretty
Adjustable coilover type stuff? Okay.
All adjustable coilovers.
Right. Who's your brake system by?
Bear brakes.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, they'll look here in Phoenix.
Yeah, so those are carbon fiber barrel wheel from Forge Line.
I like that aggressive looking spoke. All carbon fiber, flush mount glass.
Yep.
A lot of people go in that direction with the flush mount.
Yeah.
It gives it a much more clean appearance, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. We don't do it on all of our builds, but a handful of builds will depend on what the customer wants to do.
Okay.
Not too bad of a job to do.
And I like the pseudo drip rail here.
Yep.
Very well done. You get rid of the nasty chrome piece, but still retain that original look to it. Carbon fiber mirror, side mirror. I like this. Is this, you guys designed this?
So this comes from Ring Brothers, actually.
Really?
Ring Brothers makes these. Well, so we modified the bases and
Okay.
to our liking. Fit the car and set on the car. They're a universal mirror that Ring Brothers sell.
Well, that's cool.
And then we'll take it apart.
Well, that's pretty slick down there.
Yeah, so that's all.
That's what that one gentleman was talking about earlier, right?
Yep, all hand fabricated aluminum.
I like to step up here.
Get a little bit of a OEM look to it.
Yes. Very slick. And this is definitely OEM style, but the modern approach to it. It's more angular, isn't it?
Yep.
Full roller, like that. Look at this. Carbon fiber inserts.
Yep.
Leather door panels.
Yeah, so Jeremy from Avant Garde did the upholstery on this. He's down in Florida, good buddy of mine, and they're the best in the industry.
Really?
So they did this and the Grand National. They do phenomenal work.
That's cool. Well, you can tell. I mean, I remember the Grand National yesterday, and look at this. I like the stitching. It's cool.
Yeah. Custom rear bumper. Move the gas fill up between the taillights.
That's really cool looking. Is it one of those kind you turn it, pull it out, and oh, very good. Anything special with the taillights? You got doing LEDs and all that
Yeah, it's
crazy
got
stuff.
sequential LEDs.
Okay.
And that's just a little bit different. It's a machine taillight.
Yeah.
Custom rear spoiler and
Little what is it, wicker bill? Yeah.
Yep.
This is really. I have to keep saying this, man. Less is more.
Yeah.
This is super cool looking.
The 69 Camaro, they're pretty much all have been done in some sort of way, and
Yeah.
it's very easy to overdo it. This car is,
Less is more.
Less, it's red, and you kind of miss it.
Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscars with Eric.